In a world where we have unlimited information at the end of our fingertips, it's hard to figure out where to start. Everyone has an opinion and an idea, sometimes well-founded in experience and research, sometimes not so much. Don't worry, I'm Callie, and today I'm here with Scott, JSB Home Solutions sunroom design consultant. With over 4 decades in the remodeling industry and 13 years as a certified Better Living sunroom installer, we here at JSB are going to answer the most important questions you should be asking if you are considering a sunroom addition, regardless of what contractor you hire for your project. Here are some of the topics we will cover: sunroom addition costs and timeline, types of sunrooms, importance of sunroom windows, average sunroom sizes, sunroom construction and design, and sunroom warranties. If this information is helpful to you, hit like and subscribe to see more content like it. So Scott, first things first, how much does a sunroom addition typically cost?
Great question. The cost can vary depending on several factors such as the size of the room, the type of the sunroom, and whether there's an existing foundation. For example, a 12 by 12 foot screen room might cost between $15,000 and $30,000. Aluminum 3 seasons rooms range from $35,000 to $50,000. And vinyl 4 seasons rooms can cost between $45,000 and $65,000.
Next question. How long does it usually take to complete a sunroom addition?
The timeline depends on the project's scope and size. Generally, an aluminum or vinyl sunroom addition takes about 1 to 2 weeks. If there's not already a concrete patio or another foundation in place, it will add another week to the project.
All right, so what are the different types of sunrooms available?
Yes, there are 3 main types of sunrooms: screen rooms, 3-season rooms, and 4-season rooms. Screen rooms are enclosed with screens, making them ideal for spring, summer, and fall. The 3-season rooms are insulated and have windows that can open and close, but they're not climate controlled. 4-season rooms are more heavily insulated and have the option to be climate controlled for year-round use.
So can I enclose my porch to make it a sunroom?
Absolutely. This is known as an under-existing sunroom, where we build under an existing roof like a porch. These can be screened 3-season or 4-season rooms, depending on your needs.
Maybe this is a silly question, but how important are the windows in a sunroom?
They are crucial. The quality of the glass affects the usability of the room in extreme temperatures. Single pane glass has minimal insulation, while double pane glass with low emission gas offers better insulation, making a room more comfortable year-round.
Where should my sunroom attach to my house?
Typically, we install sunrooms on the back of your house, using an existing door to connect the 2 spaces. It's usually best to avoid relocating major systems like AC units.
What is the average sunroom size that people usually choose?
Common sizes include 10 by 12 foot, 12 by 12 foot, and 12 by 14 foot. Larger sunrooms might be 12 foot by 18 feet or 16 feet by 20 feet. Sunrooms can be a number of sizes, but these tend to be popular because they accommodate various furniture layouts and allow for comfortable movement.
What kind of foundation does a sunroom need?
A solid foundation is essential. This could be a concrete pad, a pressure-treated wood deck, or a composite deck. If you don't have an existing foundation, building one will be part of the project.
Should I put my sunroom at house level or at ground level?
Well, it's personal preference, and whether there's an existing foundation, if you already have a solid foundation, I would recommend building on that foundation to save time and money. If you don't already have a foundation, I would recommend building at the house level for a seamless transition from your house to the sunroom.
What types of materials are usually used to build sunrooms?
Well, common materials include wood, aluminum, and vinyl. Wood offers design flexibility but is prone to water damage. Aluminum is maintenance-free but not ideal for climate control. And vinyl is durable, waterproof, and can be climate controlled, but it's more expensive. JSB installs aluminum and vinyl, but not wood sunrooms.
Next, I have some questions about sunroom design options. The first one is, what colors can sunrooms be?
Sunrooms come in various colors to match or complement your home. For example, our Better Living aluminum sunrooms come in white, tan called desert sand, or dark brown called earthstone. Our vinyl sunrooms come in white or desert sand.
All right, so what about the floor? What kind of flooring should I put in my sunroom?
This question is a little more complicated than you might think. The flooring you can or should put in a sunroom depends on the foundation and the type of room. In a screen room, the best option is to just leave the concrete or deck foundation as the floor. You can always add an indoor-outdoor rug for comfort. In 3 or 4 seasons rooms with a concrete foundation, you can leave it bare concrete. Another popular option is to add laminate vinyl plank, or LVP, or laminate vinyl tile, LVT. This has the benefit of being waterproof, softer than concrete, and textured so it's non-slip. In 3 or 4 seasons rooms with a deck foundation, we can install a 3/4 inch subfloor over the deck and then LVP or LVT. Your deck will be insulated with 2 layers of insulation to keep out water, bugs, and cold air, so your floor will be protected from the bottom.
Does my sunroom have to be full glass, or is there a way to get a little bit more privacy?
Yes, you can. Insulated knee walls and solid panels above windows add privacy. Curtains or blinds are also great for additional privacy and sun control.
So, can I put skylights in my sunroom?
Technically, yes. It's possible, but we don't recommend it. And JSB does not install skylights at all. We find that a glass sunroom already brings in a lot of natural light, so skylights don't really add any function to the room. And they are prone to leaks, so they are usually not a valuable feature in a sunroom.
What about a TV? Can I add a TV to my sunroom?
Definitely. A TV works well in 3-season or 4-season rooms. Most homeowners place the TV against the house wall to reduce glare.
All right, and my last question, what kind of a warranty do sunrooms have?
Warranties vary by contractor. At JSB, our Better Living sunrooms come with a transferable 50-year warranty, ensuring long-term peace of mind.
Thank you for sharing all of that information. It's been really helpful.
My pleasure. Our goal is to give you all the information you need to design the best sunroom for your lifestyle. Check out the blog article linked to the description that will take you to more details on any of these topics. If you would like to talk to JSB for a sunroom addition project, give us a call or visit our website to schedule a free in-home consultation. We're here to help make your sunroom addition a smooth and enjoyable process.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Your best sources of information are the people who build sunrooms every day. Keep asking questions of reputable contractors and stay curious.